Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change accounts on Pokémon TCG Pocket. Let's get started. You might come across videos on YouTube suggesting you click on the Delete Save Data option, but don't do that. This will permanently erase all your data, and you won't be able to recover it. Instead of deleting the save data, there's a better workaround you can try. The workaround is to clear the data of the app on your phone. Start by going to the settings on your device. Then, navigate to App Management or Apps, depending on your phone. Search for the Pokémon TCG app and select it. Now click on App Storage, and here clear all data. This is the first way to switch accounts. The second way is to directly uninstall the app without deleting the saved data or clearing it. After uninstalling, you can reinstall it from the Play Store. When you open the app after reinstallation, it will prompt you to either create a new account or log in with a previous one. This is how you can change your account on Pokémon TCG Pocket. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.